In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start earning $3,500 monthly by transcribing audio files from home. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, transcribing is a great way to make money with little to no upfront investment. All you need is a computer, a good pair of headphones, and some basic typing skills. The best part is you can start right away, work at your own pace, and earn a steady income. So let's dive into the details of how you can turn transcribing into a lucrative business. This is BillyProfits, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button and feel free to leave a comment that says I am from and mention your country so we'll be able to upload future make money online opportunities that are available to your location. Transcribing audio files involves listening to recorded conversations, interviews, podcasts, or lectures and converting them into written text. It may sound simple, but it requires focus, good listening skills, and fast typing to meet the deadlines and produce accurate transcriptions. Fortunately, there are many websites that pay you for your transcription services, and with consistent work, it's possible to make up to $3,500 per month or even more. So if you're ready to learn how to get started, I'll guide you through 5 platforms where you can begin your transcribing career today. First up, we have Rev.com. Rev is one of the most popular transcription platforms where freelancers can earn money by transcribing audio and video files. On Rev, transcribers earn an average of $0.30 to $1.10 per audio minute depending on the difficulty of the transcription. If you work consistently and focus on high-quality transcriptions, you could earn around $2,000 to $4,000 a month, depending on how many hours you dedicate. To get started with Rev, you simply need to sign up on their website, take a short grammar and transcription test, and start accepting jobs. You'll be paid weekly via PayPal, which is great if you're looking for a steady income stream. One key tip to earning more on Rev is to specialize in specific niches like medical or legal transcription, as those pay higher rates compared to general transcription. Next, we have TranscribeMe, another popular transcription site that pays freelancers to transcribe audio files. TranscribeMe pays $15 to $22 per audio hour, and while the pay might seem lower compared to other platforms at first glance, the jobs are generally shorter, which means you can complete more in less time. By transcribing at a fast pace, you could easily make around $2,500 to $3,500 a month. To get started, you'll need to create a profile on TranscribeMe, pass a brief transcription test, and start working. As you gain experience and improve your speed, you'll have access to higher-paying jobs. A great way to maximize your earnings on TranscribeMe is to complete as many jobs as possible within the time limits, and if you're a fast typist, you could make a significant income in no time. Moving on, we have GoTranscript, a transcription service that pays freelancers to transcribe audio and video files. GoTranscript pays up to $0.60 per audio minute, and while the rates might not be the highest in the industry, the platform is known for offering consistent work with flexible hours. As a transcriber on GoTranscript, you can expect to earn anywhere from $1,500 to $3,500 per month, depending on your output. The best part is that GoTranscript accepts transcribers from all over the world, which makes it an ideal platform for anyone looking to earn money from home. To start with GoTranscript, you'll need to pass a short transcription test, and once you're approved, you can start working on available projects. The more accurate and timely you are, the more likely you are to be given higher-paying tasks in the future. Another great platform is Scribie. Scribie offers flexible work and pays $5 to $25 per audio hour based on the quality of your transcription. While the pay per hour may seem low at first glance, Scribie offers a lot of opportunities for repeat work, which means that with consistency, you can still reach the $2,500 to $3,500 per month mark. What's great about Scribie is that you can choose your own hours, meaning you can work whenever you want, whether that's in the morning, afternoon, or evening. They also offer bonuses for top-rated transcribers, so if you're able to maintain a high level of accuracy and fast turnaround time, you could earn even more. To get started, you'll need to sign up for Scribie, complete a brief transcription test, and once you pass, you'll be able to pick and choose the jobs that fit your schedule. Lastly, let's talk about Freelancer. Although Freelancer is known for offering a variety of freelance jobs across different industries, it's also a great place to find transcription gigs. On Freelancer, you can bid on transcription projects, and depending on your experience and skills, you can negotiate the pay. Rates on Freelancer can range from $5 to $40 per hour, so the earnings potential is significant, and with consistent work, you could easily make $3,000 to $5,000 monthly. The best part is that you can set your own rates and find transcription projects that match your skill set. To start, you'll need to create a strong profile, highlighting your transcription experience, and start bidding on transcription projects. Freelancer also offers a great community where you can connect with other transcribers and learn tips to improve your workflow and earning potential. Now let's talk about some strategies that will help you maximize your earnings from transcription work. The first thing you should focus on is improving your typing speed. The faster you can type, the more audio minutes you can transcribe in an hour, and the more money you can make. A solid typing speed of 60 to 80 words per minute is ideal for transcribing, but with practice, you can improve that speed over time. Use free online typing tools like typing.com or keeper.com to boost your speed. Next, it's important to specialize in certain niches. Medical transcription, legal transcription, and technical transcription tend to pay higher rates compared to general transcription jobs. If you have a background in these fields or you're willing to take additional courses or certifications, you can increase your earning potential. For example, medical transcriptions can pay anywhere from $1 to $3 per audio minute, whereas general transcription typically pays $0.30 to $1 per audio minute. Another way to boost your earnings is by working efficiently. Create a dedicated workspace to minimize distractions and increase your focus while transcribing. Use tools like ExpressScribe or GoTranscript to speed up the transcription process, as these tools allow you to control the audio playback, making it easier to transcribe quickly and accurately. Lastly, aim for consistency. The more jobs you complete, the more reviews and ratings you'll accumulate, which can help you secure higher paying work and repeat clients. Set a goal to transcribe a specific number of audio files each week and stick to it. Over time, as you improve your skills and efficiency, you'll be able to command higher rates and work your way toward the $3,500 to $5,000 monthly earnings goal. To earn more as a transcriptionist, one of the most effective strategies is to specialize in high-demand niches. While general transcription is a great entry point, specializing in areas like medical transcription, legal transcription, or technical transcription can significantly boost your earning potential. These types of transcription jobs typically pay more due to the expertise required. For instance, medical transcriptionists can earn $1 to $3 per audio minute, while general transcription rates are generally lower at around $0.30 to $1 per minute. If you have any background or interest in these fields, consider taking specialized courses or certifications to increase your marketability. Even if you're starting from scratch, there are plenty of online courses and resources available to help you break into these specialized niches. Over time, as you gain experience, you'll be able to command higher rates, making it easier to reach your $3,500 to $5,000 monthly earning goal. Another great personal strategy to earn more is to improve your transcription speed and accuracy through consistent practice. The faster you can transcribe, the more jobs you can complete in a shorter amount of time, which means more money in your pocket. Set personal goals to increase your typing speed with tools like Typing Club, Keeper, or 10 Fast Fingers, which allow you to practice typing and track your progress. Aiming for a speed of 80 to 100 words per minute will help you work more efficiently and take on more transcription projects. Additionally, using transcription software that speeds up your workflow, like ExpressScribe or GoTranscript, can be a game changer. With dedication and consistency, you can easily earn $3,500 or more per month transcribing audio files. So what are you waiting for? Start your transcription career today and begin earning from home. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to BillyProfits for more money-making tips, and let me know in the comments if you've ever tried transcription work or if you're planning to start. See you in the next video.